Are you drawing in notes, trying to do research with 20 tabs open? And who has the time to read these long lectures and reports?
What if I told you Google has its free AI tool which can read for you, which can write for you, and which can create podcasts for you? Yes. So guys, welcome to the first episode of AI Tool of the Week. Today we are going to talk about the tool that will change the way you study, the way you research, and the way of content creation forever. It's called NotebookLM. Please do watch the video till end and don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. So what exactly the NotebookLM is? Simply your personal AI research assistants, not like ChatGPT or Gemini. This is very important to remember. Their job is to pull information around the web, and NotebookLM depends only on the sources you provide. Here sources means either a document, PDF, or a website or YouTube video. That is what makes it special. It doesn't gather the information or guess the information from the web. It finds the information from the sources you trust. The biggest advantage is no fake information. Using it is very incredibly easy. Let me show you.
Go to notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your Google account. First click on New Notebook. And now add your resources. This is where the magic starts. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, Google Slides, web links, YouTube videos, and even audio files. As soon as you upload, NotebookLM automatically gets to work. Look on the right side. It prepares a summary and some suggested questions. This is called the notebook guide. This is a fantastic feature because you don't have to think about what to ask first. The tool gives you a straight point.
Okay, enough theory. Let's put it into the test. Let's say you are a student and you have an exam to prepare. You have to read 50 pages chapter. It's very dense and complicated, right? Now instead of spending hours of time on reading books, let's give it a try with NotebookLM. First, let's give the source and let's type a prompt. Explain the main concept in 5 simple points. And look at this. It is now summarizing and giving 5 summary points with citations. Perfect. But let's take it a step further.
What we have seen so far was amazing, but now I'm going to show you a feature that blew my mind. NotebookLM can turn your documents into an engaging podcast. In your notebook guide, just click on this one button. That will create an audio podcast. This will take some time. Yes, it's ready. Give it a try. Did you hear that? This isn't simple text to speech. There are 2 AI hosts discussing your material, just like a real podcast. This is a completely new way to consume information, and it gets crazier. Now you can even join this conversation. If you click on this join button, you can ask questions by interrupting their conversation in between. This is unbelievable. Imagine commuting, working out, or cooking, and you are listening to this in your notes. This is a game changer for learning.
So, what's my final verdict? Let's break it down. First, it's free for the power it offers. And second, the source grounded approach is brilliant. The audio overview feature is outstanding. It is a killer feature in this tool which sets apart from any other else. And it's useful for everyone from students to professionals. But there are some points to keep in mind. The free version has limitations. For example, you can add up to 50 sources for a notebook, and each source can up to 5 lakhs words only. For most people, that's more than enough. That's not a big deal. Audio generation can take a while, but it's still in the beta version, so we cannot blame that. So overall, NotebookLM is a best AI tool that I found in the recent times for study purpose, and I highly recommend you to try this. To try it and let me know in the comment section below how you feel after using it. That's it for the first episode of AI Tool of the Week. If you like the content, please do like this video and don't forget to hit that like button and just subscribing to the channel. Bye bye.